doing, Liddy? What are you doing, Liddy? You gave him a monster shot? What happens now?
What are you doing? Giving Papa monster shots? What's that gonna do?
I'll take your monster.
Turn into a monster? That's the dumbest thing I've ever heard. You can't turn Papa into a monster with monster shot.
Maybe the spray.
That's the dumbest thing I ever heard.
Uh-oh, Paul, no monster getting you! What are you doing, Billy? Kids are crazy. Uh-oh, Papa's a monster!
Hey you! Get back here! Uh-oh! It's wearing off! It's wearing off! What happened? How did Papa turn into a monster?